What's up guys, today we're going to play some Vast Survival pre-alpha version. So, I'm going to play this game. I'm new from YouTube, so please support my videos and comment, like, and share. Subscribe, okay? So, yeah. Oh, Filipinos only, cause I'm a Filipino, will join here. So, I'll be back guys after joining the game. So guys, I'm in the game, so yeah, let's go start. Oh, what is this? I don't want to go there. I'll go, I think, inventory. Oh, get some hammer. Let's go find some metals and I'll cut woods after. I just need to go to the military base, cause there's a lot of gears over there. So yeah, you can add me. My name here is Wicker. Oops, sorry. My name is Wicker 010. 010. Sorry. Misspelled. Dang. Takes too long. Come on. So, finally, we're here at the military base. And we'll go find some gears, We really need some gears. So, yeah, let's go find some gears. And this server is the Filipinos only. So, yeah, I'm a Filipino. And I'll try to find some Filipino who play this game. Oops, I heard a gun. Friendly man, don't kill me. Hey, anyone here? I'm friendly, don't kill me. Filipino ako. Anyone? I'm friendly, guys. Dang, there's someone. Rifle ammo. Oh, dude, stop. Dang, he killed me. See, that's why you can't trust anyone. So, hey guys, I'll be back. Sorry for the short video, but I'm tired making videos. So yeah, see you guys. I'll make YouTube videos tomorrow. So goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, sorry for the short video.